Remember when I was just saying in the last video how much room you need when you're taking these things apart? And we're not even done yet. There's a lot of stuff that this car is not going to need. We're just going to load everything up, get it out of here, and then we'll come back and go over the car and see what we found. Parts are all gone. GMC is in now. Let's have a gander. Now let's do a quick refresher, actually. This is a 1970 Mercedes 250C. We are doing all of the metal work. This belongs to SC Karts out of Vernon, BC here. And those guys build really high-end electric golf carts. They do everything, the whole build, all the wiring, the upholstery, all the paint and body, lift kits, lowering kits, custom wheels, you name it, you can get one crazy golf cart from those guys. And they also make the city carts, which are street legal, and they have air conditioning, heat. Look them up on Instagram, SC Karts. Look their website up. They build some crazy stuff. And it's really exciting to be a part of this build. So, this 1970 Mercedes 250C is getting an electric conversion. And I'm really excited to learn about this as they do it. We were told to keep the gauges, but we were able to cut all the wiring out because they're going to do their own thing, which I'm excited to learn that. That is all the dash stuff. And we have this car as stripped as we're going to go for right now. We're not taking all the suspension out because we want it to be a roller. It's roughly 3 to 5 week wait for the sandblaster to get to it. So we want to be able to move this thing around. And when you're doing something like this, it is extremely hard to be accurate with your quote because you have no idea what you're going to find until you take it apart. And then you find stuff like this underneath the fender. And I'm guessing that this thing had an accident and it's all been rebuilt with fiberglass and chicken wire. So I don't know if we're going to be able to find another car we can cut up because I don't believe you can buy that part. If we have to hand make it, the thing about hand making it is there's little brackets that need to be cut off and welded back on for the hood hinges, and those need to be exact so the hood fits properly. You can see right there where it's rotted right off. And there's brackets in the trunk that are the same because the trunk's all rotted. We are rotted right at the mount here. We are rotted everywhere. And it's just starting all around the windshield. This thing obviously used to be blue. The rockers seem okay, but we won't be able to tell till we have it sandblasted. And one of the things about sandblasting is we don't want to warp all of these panels really badly when we're getting it sandblasted. So we're just going to have the things sandblasted that really need it. Because I have not been able to find quarter panels, patch panels of any kind for this thing. I've seen parts for 4 doors, not 2 doors. But I have not found quarter panels. I have not found a trunk floor pan at all. You can get floor pans here. We have ourselves a Flintstone edition car where you can put your feet through the ground. We are going to have to hand make all of this because it's rotted all the way through. As for the rear floor, it looks okay now, but once they sandblast, they might start blowing holes through it here, there, and everywhere because the rust has probably made the metal thin. We'll see when it happens. That dash was not fun to get out. The doors, they seem okay, but this thing's been painted before, so we don't know what's under there till we get deep into it. We are rotten right in here. Yeah, it's all the way through. The back corner. It is see-through. the way in there. There's holes everywhere. Little peekaboo holes there. We are going to have to rebuild this structure underneath. The wheel tubs, while they look nice there, they are actually rotted right through underneath. The fender is actually okay. Just starting to rot a little bit in this corner. That's an easy fix. The rest of it is solid. The other fender seems to have a lot more surface rust building up, so we're probably going to have that blasted. The trunk lid seems really good inside and out. Yeah, we really need some quarter panels to solve this. But there you go. This is the next stage. Stripping it down. There you go. There's the other fender. See, we want to get rid of all of that rust so it doesn't come back. And now we wait for the sandblasters. So this thing is going to come out of the booth next. And then we get to squeeze something exciting in here. We're going to pick up something really exciting that I've been waiting for a little while. That is the next one coming in here, and you'll have to wait for that video to come out. But don't forget, check out SC Carts on Instagram, check out their website, and see what these guys do so that you can follow along. I imagine we're going to be quite a few months on this doing metal work before they get to the electric conversion. But thanks for watching, you guys.